Assalamualaikum dan selamat petang. So, saya akan pergi laju je. Terima kasih sebab dah pukul 4 kan. Okay. So, okay, so kita under synthetic biology, multidisiplin, RG, di bawah health and wellness. We are just a small family. So, ada 6 orang kesemuanya. So, saya as a leader. Kemudian kita ada Dr. Zaida dari Bioscience, Dr. Syazwani dari Bioscience. Kita ada Anthony from Chemistry, Associate Professor Dr. Norma alias from Mathematics, and Dr. Helmi, who just joined us last year from Bioscience. Okay. So, because kita tak ramai, we are just a small family, tapi actually kita somehow we work together in terms of co-supervision. Soalnya kita akan ada co-supervise student orang lain dekat dalam members tu. Ataupun grants application, kita mesti akan ada member dalam as a co-researcher dalam grant orang lain within the members. Sama juga dengan grants, publications. So, members kita mesti ada co-author dalam paper within the members. So, contohnya macam saya expertise in molecular biology, metabolic engineering and gene editing. So far saya ada 1 national grants and 2 international grants and of course GUP yang lain. Kemudian I'm quite active together with some of the RG members. Kita ada active research grants and collaborations dengan Croatia, India, Indonesia and Philippines. So for Dr. Shazwani Itri, so her expertise is on pharmaceutical science, biochemistry and computational structural biology. So she's also quite active in several international grants daripada Saudi as well as Indonesia. And then dia juga ada active collaborations dengan Saudi Arabia, Thailand and Indonesia. Kemudian we have Dr. Helmi. Dr. Helmi expertise is on phytochemicals bioactivity. So in terms of achievement, Dr. Helmi was awarded anugerah penulis dalam Journal Berindex for Citra Karisma 2022. And then Dr. Helmi is also a PI for one national grant, FRGS, and he has active collaboration dengan IFAM and NIBM. PM Dr. Norma alias, her expertise is on big data. Of course, as everybody knew, she's quite she has quite an achievement in terms of index publication as well as PI for national and international grants. And then we have Dr. Zaida Rahmat. She's a plant molecular biologist. She also do a lot of works on proteomics. And of course, she has a number of index publications as well as PI for national grants. And then we have chemist Anthony. His expertise is on analytical chemistry, environmental pollution, quality management system. He has several index publications even without the PhD. And then he has 2 PhD students and 4 master students, but of course as the co-supervisor because he doesn't have a PhD yet, but hopefully very soon. And then he also appear in co-researcher for other 4 national grants and 1 international grants. And he's also an he has active collaboration with UNAIR, Indonesia. So one thing about the RG, we are a small family as I mentioned, but we try to help each other in every project. If not all, but some of them, as well as publications. So SynBio is a multidisciplinary research group that combines the field of research of biosciences, bioinformatics, because Dr. Helmi and Dr. Shazwani, they are experts in bioinformatics, and then we have chemistry. So Anthony is the think tanker for our chemistry projects, and then engineering as well from the ideas from Anthony, and then mathematics and computer sciences. Both of these are from Dr. Norma for applications including healthcare, biotechnology, and industrial production. So we are a small team, but our uniqueness and strength is mainly on the fundamental studies, I would say. So that helped us a lot because that helped us to secure quite a number of international grants because we work on a lot of fundamental studies. So far, all our members except for 2024, that none of our members has FRGS, but before that, all of us, at least one of us would have FRGS for every year, if not all. So, but in terms of international grants, we have, I mean, at least one of the members would have one international grants as well, running out throughout the year. So, but then in terms of limitations, because three of our members, who are two of them are bioinformaticians and the one is big data scientist. So the limitation would be computational projects or research is not a standalone area, and therefore it is quite difficult to publish if data are from computational studies alone. Therefore, they require validation from the lab experiments, which actually it's quite challenging and quite expensive to prove whatever the bioinformatician scientists have done in their dry lab experiments, and then to try to prove that in wet lab experiments, that is quite challenging, to be honest, and quite expensive. Although, as I said, we work together, we try to have every members in every grants applications as well as publications. But then sometimes, especially kalau for the research grant application is for focus area, contoh for example, as simple as the Nippon sheet glass, which is a very specific area. In that sense, we cannot include all the members, so we can only include either one or maybe a lone publication or individual publication, I mean. All right. Okay. I think that's all from us. That is our contact. If anybody would like to keep in touch with us, thank you so much. If any questions.